In this video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF with Adobe Reader. Make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your computer. First, go to the location where your PDF file is stored. Right-click on the PDF file and hover your mouse over the Open With option. A list of programs will appear. Select Adobe Acrobat Reader from the options. Your PDF will now open in Adobe Acrobat Reader. When you open the file, a pop-up might appear asking if you want to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default program for opening PDFs. If you want to make it the default, click Yes, otherwise click No. To start editing your PDF, click on the Edit PDF option in the left toolbar of your screen. This will enable the editing feature, allowing you to modify the content of your PDF. You can remove or add text, reposition text boxes, and resize them as needed. If you want to add new content, scroll down the left side menu until you find the Add Content option. If you click on More, you'll see additional options, including adding text, images, buttons, and other elements. After making all the necessary changes, go to the top left-hand corner of your screen and click on Menu. If you want to overwrite the existing PDF file, select Save. If you prefer to keep the original file and save your changes as a new document, select Save As and choose a new file name and location on your computer. And that's how you can easily edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader.